Alrighty, we are recording. And eighth grade, there's a couple of you in here. Did any of you guys have questions on stuff that you wanted to ask me from either of your three assignments that you had here? Okay. All right, me, Rachel, who's not actually me. Go ahead. What is. Yeah. Okay. Mm hmm. That sounds like a problem. Um, what number was that again? So I can pull that up here real quick. Okay. Oh, yeah, that looks hard. I don't want to do it. I'm kidding. It's fine. I have an important question, though. Did you watch my video? Because I'm pretty sure I did this one in the homework help video. Huh? Okay. So, go ahead. Okay, so yeah, you muted yourself, but that's okay. So eighth grade on this one, if you are working on 7-119, when you go to find the slope of the line, step one is to identify two spots that are nicely marked on the grid. So if you could see where I marked on my screen, you see that there. Slope is always written as your rise over your run, which is your y's over your x's. So Rachel, you had asked about this one. Look at this change in y value. How do you go from this to that on those two? How do you go? It goes up by 5 and over by 2. So it's 5 over 2. Mm-hmm. 5 over 2, which is the 2.5 for that one. Was that the big one that you had a question on? And then your y-intercept is 10 because it crosses over at 10. So you can make your equation y equals 2.5x plus 10. And that'll be fine. So, is that the only one you had a question on, or is that the only one you've gotten to that you were stuck on? Cool. There's another 8th grader in here. I don't know if you have any questions or not. Or there's one live on Discord. Or he left now. So, if you guys have questions on that, let me know. If not, I will bump over and do. I'm kind of go with the least number of people on there. So 8th grade only had a couple people that needed help. There's a few 6th graders still in here. Let's just do 8, 6, 7 because 7's going to take a while because I know there's a bunch of topics on there that you guys want to cover. No, it's not just you. Don't look like I'm talking just at you. 6th grade, do you guys have any questions for me? And by 6th grade, I mean Chris or Grace. I think you're the only two that I see. Oh, no, Joel is in the Discord, too. Joel is in Discord and not Zoom, but he's here. So, 6th graders, do you guys have any questions, thoughts, or issues on this math stuff? Grace, you're welcome to unmute. Chris, you can unmute, although I don't know if you still sound like a robot or not. You don't have any questions, you said? Okay, so you feel like it's going pretty okay as far as what we're doing timeline? So you guys will notice on the document, how many of you see this little list on the left side when you guys open your assignment sheet? There's this little navigation bar that's on the left side. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll notice that I've started adding in stuff for the rest of the school year, essentially. So this might apply to, I don't know, a couple of you. If you're feeling particularly, Chris-like and want to look ahead at what I'm going to be assigning, you can sort of look into those sections if you would like. I actually have them done for all classes. That's what I did. I spent a couple hours doing that last night.